Hello everyone, MPX Auto is James here today. How are you? And in this video we would like to share another work in another Toyota RAV4 and the generation 2014 up to 2018. And you can see that the car comes with the factory radio before, and at this moment it's already been fit with a new 9-inch touchscreen premium setup that will retain and connect to the factory steering wheel control at both of the right side and the left side buttons, several buttons. Okay, and also it will connect to the factory USB down here, which you can see we are using one USB there, and it will connect to the factory reverse camera. So this is the factory reverse camera, that is exactly the factory one. And it is going with the wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto in the premium system we have, which is very fast and very smooth. So on the screen here you can use the glove, no problem, it will respond well to your finger, no worry. And you can see that it responds just like that, easy and smooth. So we also fit in, based on the request from the customer, we fit in one extra cigarette socket, which is like in the middle of the rear center console, because now actually you see there's one socket down here. It is marine style, waterproof, so it can be closed and open, and it's heavy duty one as well. We have it here, so the rear passenger can charge their phone right now via this system, which is easy and easy. Okay. Furthermore, we actually fit in the system here with an upgrade low beam super wide LED headlight for this car, but I would like to bring it into another video soon after this, and you will see it in our channel as well, showing about exactly what and how we actually did the job for the front low beam, the main beam of this car with the LED super wide kit. Okay, so it's about the 9-inch premium one for the Toyota RAV4 2014-2018. Looks perfect everywhere, like factory fit, and we don't need to say more. It is premium one, no need to say more. It is absolutely beautiful and very high performance system over here. Okay, we hope that you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Reverse camera again.